Amazon officially making its high-stakes entry into the robotaxi race. Its self-driving unit Zoox launching in Las Vegas, going public today for the first time with cabs that don't have a steering wheel or pedals. Our Mackenzie Sagalos has that in today's Tech Check. Morning, Mac.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So 5 years after its $1.3 billion Zoox acquisition, and Amazon is officially in the AV wars. For now, the footprint is small, free rides on the Vegas Strip to build familiarity before regulators clear paid service. But it's also the public debut of a purpose-built robotaxi where ditching the steering wheel required special permission and led to delays. The move, though, giving Amazon a flashy tourism showcase and a beachhead market. This launch puts another Mag 7 giant into the robo-taxi race, joining Alphabet and Tesla in a fast-growing field that is betting big on autonomy. Waymo leading on scale. It is spreading across the country, and here in San Francisco, its fleet has tripled since its last disclosure. Waymo is available through Uber in certain markets. CEO Dara Khosrowshahi saying this week that in Atlanta and Austin, demand for driverless cars is already busier than 99% of human drivers. He also says consumers are willing to pay a premium. Tesla's service, though, it is still limited to geo-fenced areas in Austin with human supervisors. Its robotaxi app was finally opened to the public this month after a long invite-only run, but the debut was bumpy with reports of spotty access. And then there's the tech that's powering all of this. Tesla uses cameras, while Zoox is using the same technology as Waymo, which is LiDAR. That has gotten dramatically cheaper. Elon Musk has dismissed LiDAR on technical grounds and cosmetics. But Carl, you've got to admit these toasters on wheels are kind of cute. Today's launch, though, really underscoring that this isn't just a flashy demo, but big tech telegraphing robotaxis as a long-term play, where deep pockets, patience, and platform reach will matter far more than quick revenue wins. Guys?
It's pretty interesting, along with the headline today, Mac, of Amazon developing glasses like Meta, some for consumer use, and then some that'll be designed supposedly for their drivers.
Right, and I think that underscores the fact that Amazon has been very thoughtful in its timing, so it's late to market. Waymo has been operating these driverless cars for 5 years now, but that's really given them an advantage in the sense that they are putting a vehicle on the road that doesn't look like a car. It doesn't have a steering wheel, it doesn't have pedals, and that's something that Tesla has said that it aims to do with its robo-taxis, but at this point it's just a souped-up Tesla Model 3. And so what this speaks to is the fact that Waymo has already gotten through a lot of the regulatory hurdles and figured out a lot of the technical difficulties that go with bringing this kind of product to launch. But Amazon has been able to read from that playbook.
Yeah, I guess they're cute. We agree. Thank you, Mackenzie Sagalos. Where did that come from on Amazon with self-driving? Meanwhile, stock market doing pretty well. We have this, I mean, really what's been fuel for the record-setting stock rally all year, but it's coming. There are two big catalysts today, and that is expectations the Fed lowers rates. We got another benign inflation report on PPI today, and then the AI trade. Just hot, hot, hot. Oracle is the proof point today.
Yeah, Deutsche, by the way, raising its year-end. They were about here, 65.50.